If you have watched this first Foguish video, then first subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon. A business is not really easy to start. There are some basic requirements and procedures needed to start a business. Here, in this video, we will see some guidelines in step-by-step to start a business. From next up with an idea for one to make sure that everything you're doing is both legal and potentially profitable. Really, if your idea is great, but there's a big difference between having a great idea and creating a successful startup company. Let's see this video. Check out this nice guide step by step to help turn your big idea into a successful business. Number 1. Evaluate yourself. John Wooden told without proper self-evaluation, failure is inevitable. Let's start with some basic question. Why would you like to start a business? Use this question to indicate which kind of business you want to start. Ask yourself, what skills do you have? Where does your passion lie? Where is your area of expertise? How much you can afford to spend, knowing that most businesses fail? How much capital do you need? What kind of lifestyle do you want to live in? What is the size of your target market? This will create a foundation for what you're going forward. So it's better to know the truth now than later. Number 2. Think of your great business idea. Do you have already a killer business idea? If so, congratulations. Basically, it is the process of thinking about your great business product or service. For any time of business, I'd strongly suggest that you really are passionate about it. A business does not mind you're happy, it is a lifetime commitment that you will be alone, every day. Apply your skills to an entirely new field. Many businesses and industries work together because they have always been done. In this case, a new perspective can make all the difference in a new set of eyes. Too often people rush into business without carefully checking out their idea to see if it will work, he says. Research is essential. Use the better, cheaper, faster approach. Do you have a business idea that is not a completely new business? If so, think about the current offers and focus on how you can create something good, cheaper or faster. Before you open your door or launch your application or create your e-commerce website, though, you need to make sure you'll be able to attract real paying customers and can you sustain your costs while still turning a profit. Number 3. Do market research. Use this guide to start researching your potential competitors or partners in the market. With a little persistence, planning and some good timing decisions, you can keep yourself in a good position to succeed. This all begins with solid marketing research. Although you can fill a small library with all the information written about marketing research, we will try to point you to the right path correctly. You can also give surveys or questions that ask, what are the factors that you consider when buying this product or service? And in what areas would you recommend for improvement? Number 4. Get feedback. Getting feedback is an important part of the legitimacy of your idea. It helps you to perfect your product, set the ideal price and work out the best way to market. This is essential to ensure that your business can be as strong as possible. Let people contact with your product or service and see what they can do. A new set of eyes can help you to point out a problem you might have missed. You may be worried that someone will steal your idea, but at the same time, it's vital that you know how to refine your product. Take comfort in the idea that this is not the best idea that will be the winner, it is the best execution of that idea. And if you get intelligent and plentiful feedback that you can action upon, you've got a better chance of coming out on top than the entrepreneur who jealously guards their idea and comes out with a product that only meets a hypothetical version of what their audience needs. Number 5. Make your new business official. Get all of the legal aspects out of the way early. Some steps to make your new business official. A quick checklist of things to shore up might include: make sure that you can legally use your business name. Get any necessary licenses and permits. Get a tax ID number. Open a business bank account. Necessary bank account. Trademarks, copyrights or patents. It is best to consult a lawyer while starting, so you are sure that you covered everything you needed. Number 6. Write your business plan. A business plan is a written description of how your business will evolve from when it starts to the finished product. A very important strategic tool for business planning entrepreneurs. A good business plan does not only help the entrepreneurs to pay attention to the specific steps required by the business entrepreneurs to succeed, but it also helps them to achieve both their short-term and long-term objectives. Writing a business plan will ensure that you pay attention to both the broad operational and financial objectives of your new business and the details, such as budgeting and market planning. Number 7. Finance your business. There is a ton of different ways to get the resources you need to start your business. Businesses have to consider their finances for so many purposes, ranging from survival in bad times to bolster the next success in good ones. How you can influence your ability to finance your business: employ staff, purchase goods, acquire licenses, expand and develop. Take a look and consider your own resources, situation and life situation that works best for you. Number 8. Start building your team. To scale your business, you have to stop the responsibilities of other people. You need a team. Perhaps your new employees will come from a variety of backgrounds. They will have different ideas about how to do different personalities and their work. Number 9. Start getting some sales. Do not matter in your product or industry, your business is going to depend on future revenue and sales. Steve Jobs knew this. It's why, when he was starting Apple, he spent day after day calling investors from his garage. Find the early adopters of your business, grow your customer base, or put out ads to find people who fit your business.